Welcome YouTubers. Today this is me, World of Cars. Well, today this is welcome to the World of Cars show. Well, today I'm gonna be told you today I'm gonna talk about how you're gonna make proper videos. It's really fun. You're doing it because I'm famous. I already got some likes. So I like this. You know why? I'm the very first rookie in the race. Check my back. Do you see what's something new? The new rookie stripes. See how great it is? That's on the new rookie. So today we have a special customers coming in. So the first one is whoa, Gale Buford. So this is Gale Buford. He's got the blue mud flaps and the rims. He's got the brown 2.0. And there's the S on top. He's got a main expression, silver grill, gray grill. He's got a headlights. There's nothing really in the back, just he's got no license. Well, we're not actually talking about the cars. We're actually reviewing cars. Gale Buford is one of my favorite trucks. And Mac is also my favorite, but Gale Buford is mostly. I'm your #1 fan, Gale. Well, thank you. I'm gonna get Jackson Storm because we were late for the piston car. Or you need a fast train, Like who? Stevenson. Okay. Well, that was a great review talking about Gale Buford. So now the next car is whoa! Eric does World of Cars. I'm your biggest fan. You are? Yes, I'm your biggest fan. I can't believe it. Looks like you're really smaller than me. I'm bigger. Here's this comparison to the size. I'm a little bigger than you. Oh, well, I'm still your #1 fan. That's right. Well, that's definitely right, because you know why? You got different colors of your tail lights, and you're not a rookie. That's right. I'm not gonna be a rookie anymore, since I beat Jackson Storm. Oh yeah, I remember that. That was really nice. Actually, that was awesome. I watched you on YouTube and I watched you on YouTube. Wait, you did? Yeah, I watched Cars Can and I saw you. You was included. And you was actually in here. Wow, cool. Well, so I'm gonna review you. What, reviewing me? Okay, so here's the front. He's got a really determined expression. He's got really nice headlights. And there it says Aaron on the hood. Well, YouTubers, this is really nice. Custom. I actually painted Lightning McQueen, but hey, I made like this. Oh yeah. As you can see, there's a little bit of red down there. There's the little bit of red down there, because it was really Lightning McQueen. He's got rims. He's got gray rims and black tires. No Lightyear, no Goodyear, no nothing. And he's number 88. 88 on top. 88 sides, black windows, and you see, there's a little bit of blue. Camera focus. Camera. Come on, there you go. You can see there's a little bit of blue. Well, and it's got a black spoiler. I didn't paint the black windows yet, but I'll paint them soon. You got pink taillights, and if you look really closely at his back, you can see that I covered the World Grand Prix and all in all with the number 95.
We're sorry, we tried to go somewhere today, but we did.
Camera, focus.
We're sorry. Anyways, so yeah, that's how you gotta say.
That's better. You can see I painted over the World Grand Prix, and there's a little bit of all in all logo left. And there's these undercarriage. Ow. Sorry if this little cars. You know, that was a really nice thing I should ever do. It was a lot of fun to know. Yeah. Well, aren't those little cars? You're free. Thank you. And he's off. Who wants to go next? Hello? I scared you, YouTubers! Ah! Oh, no, come on, look! Ah! Ouch! Further, why did you hit the camera? I decided to scare you a little. Well, you scare me a lot. Thanks a lot. And you was not meant to hit the camera to fell off. Oh yeah? Get out of here. You know what, Miss Spinner? Please. And what are you doing now today on your silly show? And the show, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what's this on me? Blue. Blue. I don't know what happened. So, well, we're here to review you. Review me? No way. Yes way. So here we go. On her rims, she's got red rims, her black tires. There's this fabulous Miss Fruit. She's all painted Duck Hudson blue. There are the headlights. Lightning bolts. I decided to put lightning bolts. And now she looks like Lightning McQueen on half honor of Lightning McQueen and Duck Hudson. She's got a funny smile. Really fun smile. New expression. And she's got lights up here, red lights up here, and gray lights up here. Number 51 on the back, gray bumper, front and back. And there's 51 all over. And she's got red horns and the same thing as the other one. And there's her undercarriage. Wow, she looks fantastic. And see, there's the piece. I used the Miss Fruit that came with the strip. Well, you know, I like reading strips and having fun with them, but when I always get myself a car, I decided to custom paint them into new color. So I'm made out of the Danny Suarez, same model as Daniel Suarez, you know, that 19 Octane game. Are you talking about me or that Danny? Ow, stop it! I'm off to the American Derby. Anyways, what the? Ow! Not again! Who's that car you jumped on? Me! Oh my gosh, sorry, Wood of Cars. I'm sorry we hit you on the head. No problem. Well, see, they're both having wobble tires. Same rockets, but just this is his brother, and this is not. This is all yellow. And they both got same undercarriage, just this is all yellow on the bottom. And there's Yo in the back cover. The box, all green, and that. Well, looks so fun to see them. Well, and this guy has yellow. See, he's got the yellow a bit on his, not yellow, the white dots on his hood, and he's really happy. He's got a new paint job. Yeah. Sort of cars. Are we done yet? I just gotta talk about you a little bit of second. What? Yeah. How dare you can hit me? That's it. What are you gonna do? Nothing? I'm friendly. Well, I'm just warning you. You don't want to hit me again. Just go on my paint job and never. Camera! Grab my hand! No! I have no hands! Thank you for watching! See you next time!
Well.
Oh, not again! Well, Seriously? Ow.